Today, I'm going to teach you how to cook. So, what you gotta do is, for some reason, we only have this one plate. Cause somebody broke them all. Anyway, so, we have this plate. And we have to make something on this plate. So, what we're gonna, and I have my assistant, B.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Okay, so, why were you late again? Tell me why you were late. Tell me.
I was only a little bit late. I didn't know you said that.
Tell me.
You know I'm not cooking with you this episode. I'm only cooking with you and when you're stupid.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, then. But I pulled it out. You gotta cook with me now. Before I get crazy. Before I get crazy.
I don't see anything in your hand, dude.
No, pretend I had a knife. Oh, yeah?
I'm only cooking with you in the next. I'll cook with you in the next episode, but this episode I'm not. Shippy, calm down. Calm down. We're the audience. Or
okay.
I'm the guy behind the camera or whatever. Shippy, no. This is your serious episode.
No, he's biting his nails because he's trying to figure out what to do.
Oh, okay.
An innocent cup of coffee. First, take the coffee.
We're not. I thought we were using this plate here.
Now, we're going to be using this, and we're going to be showing you different things around the area. First, an innocent cup of coffee. Are you people too fat and lazy to know how to make a cup of coffee? So, what you got to do is you put... Okay, now, again, we are using this as display. You take the cup, like this, and then what we're going to do is you put water inside of the cup. And then you get like one of those little plastic things, and then you stick that in there as some coffee stuff, coffee mix. Then you close the lid, press the right button combinations, and then booyah, your cup of coffee. Understand? Good.
You didn't even give us time to answer.
Let's see here.
We need to cook some real food.
Real food, huh?
Yeah.
Well, easy. If you want to cook some real food, go to the food market in your house. The pantry.
The pantry?
All the foods in here are already cooked. I really need to work off my arms.
Chippy.
What?
This.
Oh. Anyway, here we go. The local food market located in your house. So you got the cookies, you have the chips, the Pringles, you have the, what is it? Graham crackers, Little Debbie snack cake, sweets, stuff, more stuff, more stuff, and other stuff on the other side of the thing. Okay. Close it. I need to work out. Here is leftover spaghetti. Anyway, I had to get some of the sauce in my mouth. So, here is the juice. This is the spaghetti. You do not must eat plants. Don't eat plants. Plants, bad.
This is like...
Let's eat the bumblebee.
No, Told you, don't... I'm not gonna be eating. I'm hiding.
Fish. Let's cook some donuts or bagels or other good
Hey, Shippy. Maybe you should check the video to see where the bumblebee is hidden. He always hides somewhere different.
In your shirt?
No.
In your butt?
No.
In one of these drawers? In that refrigerator?
He's not in the fridge.
Nope. Not in there.
I'm not gonna be in this stupid video of yours.
You are. You're already in the video. You're already been in the video. Look at the camera right here. Camera right here. See, you're in the video right now.
Bro, I'm not cooking with you in the video.
Blah blah blah. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to
So,
hear it. Blah,
suck it up.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
But pretend you couldn't find him again.
Oh. Anyway, so let's say you just want to cook a fish. This is the pan. Few people are too stupid to know what a pan is. Oh, let's see. Display a pan.
Hey, Eric. We'll just get some of the ingredients out and use them. And put them on the plate, then we'll put them back.
What?
You know, like, get some of the ingredients out so we're gonna think we're actually using them.
No. So what you gotta do is just to cook an innocent little fish. So what you gotta do is just take a fish. If you all people don't know what a fish is, get outside, grab a pole, have a hook, have some bait, cast out the water, and catch a fish. And you know, what is this mysterious creature? It just looks like an alien. I wonder what it looks like. I mean, I wonder what it is. That's called a fish. So anyway, you put that fish on the pan, and then you get the right seasonings and stuff out. Sprinkle it all over the fish. What's wrong? Sprinkle it all over the fish, and then put it over the thing. Turn it up as high as you can, and then voila, you cook fish. Now, salad. That's hard to explain. What else? Bagels. Yeah, bagels and donuts. This is called I don't know what. What you gotta do is you put a bagel or a donut or something inside of this. How do you get it inside, I wonder? I wonder. Grab the dang gum handle, open it, put the dang gum bagel inside, close it, and then turn up the heat. That's all. And then turn it up. Wait for it to cook. When it's cooked, turn it off. Open it up. Grab your donut or whatever the heck you have in there and eat it with your teeth and your mouth and your tongue.
That's not some good advice.
And everything. Understand? I don't know what else to cook. Plus I'm tired. So that's the end of this video. Now make sure you drop 10,000 likes in order to see more stuff. And after this, we're going to be doing a stupid one. So drop 10,000 likes, subscribe, comment, do whatever the heck you want with this video. So, bye.